So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario. A scenario which is pointing us where the price in the medium short term, where the price for the upcoming days might be possibly heading. So before I start talking about it, please do me a favor and destroy the like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, on my previous video, I showed you guys whenever this William percentage error has approached around -95 and at the same time ETN normalized at positive 95, that is when we have seen this vertical green line appearing in our indicator. And if you go back and look at history, whenever this indicator has given us a bottom sign or a buy signal, the price of Bitcoin after that has gone completely parabolic. You can see in 2017 a move of around 1990, in 2018 a move of around 335%, 2020 a move of around 1330%, in 2021 a move of around, you can see 127%, in 2022 a move of around 578%, 2025 a move of around 65%, and now this buy signal has appeared again. Yes, guys, in 2025 two buy signals, one after another, and according to this bottom indicator, Bitcoin in our case is nearing the bottom, or it has already bottomed. So what could be expected next? A week of consolidation, just like what happened here after a buy signal. We had more sideways movement, even a pullback, but after a week of consolidation, after a week of pullback, it resulted in another bullish continuation. Same scenario has repeated again and again. You can see after giving us a buy signal, it had more sideways moving, even few pullbacks, but at the end, after a week of consolidation, it did result in another parabolic move. So I was very clear with you guys. In our case, even if the price starts making another lower low, please do not let this chart fool you, because a sideways movement, even another lower low, doesn't mean we are bearish. It could be just a temporary pullback, and after some days of consolidation, we could see another move in this manner, because this indicator has been correct more than 99% of the cases. That's why when I saw this ATN normalized William percentage error giving us this bottom signal, buy signal, I thought this would be the right time to share with you guys. And not just only because of this bottom indicator, even according to this parabolic curve pattern, if you look at this scenario here, if you look at this example on the right hand side, I have been very clear with you guys. Bitcoin could find bottom very soon, because we could be around this base 4, and you know, after base 4 there will be another blow off top type of movement left, and only after that a reversal, which could bring the price of Bitcoin below 100,000. Yes, guys, before expecting another pullback below 100,000, first I am actually expecting a blow off top type of formation, just like I shown here in the example, and only after that sell point, only after that a reversal. But until then, you can see base 1, base 2, base 3, and this here is our formation of base 4. Base 1, base 2, base 3. This here was the formation of base 4, which later resulted in a parabolic move. So if Bitcoin shows weakness, goes even lower than 107,000, the previous low, please, I just want you guys to zoom out, because even in the worst case, that would be one of the best buying opportunities. Because if you look at this leading indicator, I mean our CPI indicator, right now we are still holding above this bottom CPI line. This is very important for us. I mean, if you want to see Bitcoin showing a move like this without a reversal, another new all-time high, then this bottom CPI line for the month of September must hold us, which is going to be around 110,800 to 111,000. This trend line must hold us at any cost. But let's suppose this trend line fails to hold the price, and Bitcoin after that shows another bearish continuation towards this S1 line, the first bearish target for the month of September. Even in that case, you can see 102,000. But I have been very clear with you guys, even if this bearish scenario plays out, if you simply zoom out, this could be one of the best buying opportunity, because we found out after getting attracted around this 102,000 Bitcoin, will also reach the price opportunity from this bearish continuation pattern known as rising wedge, and after ending this bearish trend, we could be preparing ourselves for a U-shape or a V-shape type of reversal, and that along with this CPI indicator, the S1 line, and even along this ascending channel, rising channel, a weekly time frame will mark 102,000 as a bottom, because I personally think even in the worst case, I mean, this would be the worst case price target around 102,000 for now, and even if this plays out, I still believe Bitcoin after that will be making a reversal, which will look somehow like this, more of higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation. So that's why, guys, please do not let this chart fool you, because if you look at this price action here, right around this area, then you can see Bitcoin was clearly in a downtrend. I mean, this was clearly a downtrend, right? But if we monitor the price structure here, the straight line is now turning into a curve. I mean, we were clearly following this lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern type of formation, and now we could make a reversal in this manner. And parallelly, this formation, what we are witnessing here, is also known as right angle broadening bottom pattern, which usually marks the bottom. So that's why if Bitcoin manages to remain above this bottom CPI line, then parallelly you can see Bitcoin after some consolidation could be preparing itself for a new reversal. I mean, a new bullish continuation marking 107,000 the bottom, and Bitcoin after that heading towards to form a new higher high. And even if the worst case scenario plays out, please guys, even if Bitcoin fails to hold this ground around 110,800, 111,000, shows another pullback, even in that case, you can see it will be one of the best opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin, because after ending this rally, after testing the support from this right angle broadening bottom pattern, even here, you can see the price of Bitcoin after that has done very, very bullish. So that's why I am actually expecting, even if the worst case starts playing out, if you zoom out, that will be one of the best case scenarios. So please guys, please, if you have any doubt, I suggest you to simply zoom out. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.